So how do you add the Instagram profile link icon, right? Let me show you what you're going to do about this. Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the Instagram profile link icon can be changed or added, right, by going to your profile into your, like Instagram, right? Click on edit profile. And you can see that you have the ability to type in or tap on the links button and add some links right there. So you have the ability to add external links. So you can add WhatsApp link as well. But once you do this, then you come back to your profile and you can see I have the little link icon in my Instagram. It means that some other people can click that right away and it will open up like a built-in browser within the Instagram application, right? So, this is useful for businesses or for websites like that, which, give or need to show their like web or a service or whatever they have available, right? This is a good idea to share that information on their profile. So that's something that you can do and go ahead and make available. If it does not work for some reason, you probably need to switch your account type from personal to business or a creator. So you can explore those options if you feel like you are lacking some features which you believe should be available. So that's something I wanted to show you and share in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Of course, share your thoughts and opinions below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos similar to this one. And I'll see you later. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.